Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. Today is November 21st and the chart of the day for today is gold 60 minutes time frame. Now we can see from this 1 hour time frame we ended with 3 over here at 27.90. I believe that's the all-time high we had, and then it did a pullback, ended with 4 at 25.37. now already starting to turn higher again. Now basically it is a pretty simple straightforward analysis. As long as we stay above 25.37 we could see more upside, but we expect a pullback first in 3 waves to correct this cycle before we resume higher again. Alright, so I'm going to give you a couple of observations here, and then you can sort of make some sort of informed decision, right? So the first observation here is the idea that if you look at the subdivision here, we're calling this as a WXY, and if you do the Fibonacci analysis, the extension, now you can see it hit 100%, perfect 100%, between 100%, 161.8%, and turns higher. This is the reaction that we expect to have if this is indeed a bullish market. If it is not bullish, then it would have been 5 waves down, some sort of extension on the third leg, 1.618, and a 4 and a 5. And the fact that we actually only reach 100% without any extension and turn higher, that sort of confirms the idea that this is indeed still a bullish market. Okay, that's number one observation. Number two, now of course, technically speaking, from purely technical point of view, you must break above with 3 or break above the previous all-time high to basically have the confidence for sure we're going to continue to stay above 25.37. But if you look at the short-term structure here, this one, it does look impulsive with a divergence here as well. So the divergence in the RSI here suggests that we are about to finish the wave 5, right? Because that's how it is. Wave 5 usually with no momentum. So you get a divergence in the momentum. So we should be close to finishing wave 5, if not already finished. Then maybe a little bit more upside, doesn't matter. And then we should be getting this pullback. Okay, and then once we finish this pullback, we can then go higher again. Now because this rally here is impulsive, right, it gives us a higher probability that we should be extending higher again after the pullback because of the 5 waves rally here. So so to me, I think the two possible options I can give you right now, which is the higher probability option in my opinion, is number one, we finish with 4, and then after the pullback, we just continue to go higher, eventually break to new all-time high. That's number one, which is the main view. The number two is that we continue the correction lower, but because this one is an impulse, now regardless whether we continue lower again or not, because this is an impulse, it seems to me the second possibility is we are doing some sort of ABC here. So this 5 waves are going to be ending A leg, and this is B leg, C leg. So we're going to be ending ABC, but because it will be doing a bigger correction after the ABC, you're going to fail and go down like this. So then that means this become W here, this become an X, and this become A, this become B, and this become a C. So that's the second alternate I'm going to propose it to you. But whether the primary, which is the bullish view, or whether the alternate, which is an ABC, I think all of them, the two alternates I give you, suggest that we're going to see more upside anyway, right? After the pullback, we're going to see more upside. Whether this is wave 3 or wave C, you're going to see more upside anyway, because this one looks impulsive, right? And then the least possible option, but any kind of move in the market is possible, guys. We cannot really discount anything in the market. it's just going to go down, and I believe that's the least likely. And the reason is very simple, because this one looks impulsive. So it looks to me that it's either we go to new high from here as a wave 3 later on, or we go to new high as an EBC and fail and go down again. All right, so that's the idea in gold right now. And but I think the bigger time frame, there is no change. This structure here is a corrective structure ending at the 100%. We did have the reaction as we expect to react, and in fact we actually bought it here in our service. We recommended members to buy. We have a blue box over here in the 4-hour time frame, and if if members bought it here, which is the 100% extension of the WXY, currently the position is already safe because of the reaction higher. Can take partial profit already, can move stop loss to the entry level, and therefore the position is completely safe. Even if it does a double, even if it turns out to be doing a double later on like this, then it doesn't really cause any loss if members bought it at the right level here in the right area. Okay, so if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.